I wish I come with good news today. Oh, oh. This is how, oh, oh. And this is how they want us to live. No, no, no. And this is how.
Angel?
Yes, mommy.
Yep. You start what she play them here?
Yes, mommy.
Lord have mercy. Look up Pitney. Look how long me give the plate them for wash.
Mommy, I plate them near a while.
So long me tell you to wash the plate them and no you not done wash them. You take too long to wash the plate them little girl. Remember say you have mommy, listen to me.
Mommy, I don't want me having
Hurry up. Because if it's cold down the shower from yesterday and all, no you don't do it.
man.
Hurry up and wash the plate them and tap from waste the water. How many times me tell you say all you have to do? Take the container, pour it. Get some water in this ring, see? And you get some water in the next one. You wash your rings. If the water get dirty, you change it. Simple. You go waste the water. Remember say you have the bed to spread.
Mommy, I'm not tired.
Oh, my mouth fit tired. And you not give me problem. You make me feel talk like me a radio. Little girl, hurry up, wash the plate them and go spread the bed. And remember,
Mommy, I don't want me having
girl, when me talking, don't answer me. You dey give me back answer. When me ask you a question, you answer. You don't talk while me a talk. Yeah, look here. The bathroom they round there so. You fi go round, they go school I don't from yesterday all now. Me not like your style, you're too nasty. But nobody make me come back and contact you too much time again. Cause you go give me headache. And my blood vessel, you want to bust in my head, little girl? Eh? You know much parents dead too from blood pressure? Our blood vessel bust in their head. No children will not kill me in the name of Jesus.
And this is how they want us to live. They want we fight each other. They want we kill each other. They want we can't find food to eat. And not even a place to sleep now. And this is how they want us to live. I tell you now. And this is how they want.
Babe,
What's up?
babe, wake up. Good morning. You not gonna work?
Yeah, man, I gotta work, but I don't feel, sometimes I just don't feel the vibes, you know? I just feel, the system just drain you out, you know? Feel like you don't want to work. Cause,
But today I work day, so what make you feel so?
no, like from left school until now, I just at work. Every day I work, go work, come home, go work, and I can't get really by the things that I really deserve, you know what I mean?
Babe, you know me not fussy like that. You know business me empty. You know me not fussy. So you don't have to worry about that. But you still need to go to work. Remember say bills don't need to pay. So no matter how you feel like you don't want to do it, you have to get up and do it. I remember so we even think about a little fall business to raise the fall them.
Cause little business, let me try to give the money a long time to start that. You understand? But just the fact say when you work in Jamaica, you're working like from hand to mouth. You understand? There's no justice, you know what I mean, in terms of where the salary is concerned as a Jamaican when you work. And if you work anywhere in the Caribbean, you get a better pay than Jamaica. And it's supposed to be like that, you know what I mean? In one world, you know. So it's just disappointing though.
True, babes. I get what you say. True. True thing. But you're not supposed to go so, but guess what? We have to do what we have to do.
But the best part of my day still is when I come inside of you.
No, man.
So I just not feel so good when we can't really give you the things that we deserve. And cause watch you now. If you say we are Jamaicans and we don't know Jamaica. Majority of Jamaican people overall, even my neighbor, everybody me know, when they get them vacation, them not take a vacation go Ochi. They not take a vacation go look at Miami. They not go nowhere at all. They matter in the yard with the kind of money where they get for vacation it make no sense. And when they might work for the whole year make no sense neither. So 40, 50 years then we try build one house. And the house, if them take 60 years build the house, in a Jamaica it will take you one next 60 years to really furnish it properly. And the minimum wages that they're paying. Even Dunsriver, I never go Dunsriver yet, you know. I can't afford it. You know what I mean? And I would love to take it to one of them resorts every part. You get the treatment, like a queen. Because you're a queen. You understand? See you're beautiful, you see you smile and everything. You understand?
Alright, babes.
It's
Just
kind of
relax.
rough in
Take
the
it
morning.
easy.
But we'll try to survive. I'm going to work in the morning here, man.
Yeah, man, me I get up, go look for your breakfast. So get up and freshen up. Just get the energy. Try get the energy. Remember the fall them we go raise. Have that on your mind. Make that gear the energy.
So we say we go to raise the fowl them and then
Yeah,
build on a little place and fry chicken and something
yeah,
give people them.
yeah. That will go do. Keep it for you.
Angel,
Yes, mommy.
at what time now? At 9 o'clock, me figure work, you know. How much o'clock now?
20 minutes to 9.
20 to 9?
Yes, mommy.
Alright, me soon come. Me I go bed and come back. Me have to hurry up, you know, because I don't want to late. Angel!
Yes, mommy.
Look for my shoes for me. The black one.
Alright.
White party. Hurry up and white party for me. I don't want late.
Yes, mommy.
Angel, take down my handbag for me too. The brown handbag. Yeah, yeah.
Mommy.
Alright, and we're not going to look for his stocking.
Come on, pin up your button. Why you put a plate on the bed? Lord, drink off it.
I'm going to say handsome love coming here, you know. Hot door. Alright.
Soon come. Come on, clean this up. And you have to go wipe off the shoes because you're not left out your looks up.
I'm going to dirty work man I go do, you know.
You know myself, I don't work here, I go look presentable. Yeah. Yeah. So what is a button you're missing? Mine, you know?
Yeah, what's up?
Mine, who man pull off button?
No, man. I work with them, man.
Work
I
with
limp
it.
pop down and tear the
Work
shirt.
with it. You're mine. Oh.
Soap it for me. You can soap it later when I come
Yeah,
in.
man, when you come in. You look good.
Alright. So I can go up on the work now. So we got to do today?
Remember,
Where do today?
we have a fallen figure to deal with. Just remember that, yeah?
Where do today?
No, I'm just have pile up your house and sit down and relax until they come. Where you want to fit you when I come back?
Let's look about something nice.
Alright, I'll buy one thing, Mark.
I got a gym last night, you know.
So,
Gym say you're pregnant.
that can't happen.
Let me see.
Alright, we're not ready for that yet, fire. That can't
You see,
happen.
you know, say, your peers never plan for you, you know.
Fire, you serious? We done a suffer already. Look how we are suffer. Hand to mouth. We have a full cube. What kind of dream that? Forget about that, the dream. That's not real. A dream that can only happen in the dream.
But let me tell you something. So what you tell me say now? If you get a youth, I know where you go do.
Fire.
No, me
that nah
No,
happen.
me not say nothing. But what I'm saying, is it that it can't happen?
It can't happen.
Me not understand what you mean say it can't happen, you know.
No worry about that. No worry about it, Mr. Fire. Just take care of your mind.
Me I tell you, so me just get the dream last night. I tell you, I dream, I feel so grateful when little baby say, Daddy. And I say, yes, son. And I say, no, you look good. I just like the look of chemistry and the band when contact me.
Yeah, but babes, it go happen, you know, but just not right now.
No, what if it happen though? You understand?
Like the feeling.
Yeah, so I don't know if I can get pregnant when I did with that work. You understand what I mean?
So what about the fall couple?
No,
What do you think about fall couple?
I know about it, say one the fall cub. If I get pregnant tomorrow morning, I bid her the fall cub. And when we get the money from, I go and find it.
You serious, Fire? I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant, Fire.
A joke, yeah, man.
Fire, I'm pregnant.
You tell me say no, I'm not a while ago.
Fire, forget about what I say. So go on now work now and think about the baby because I'm pregnant.
You pregnant?
I'm pregnant, Fire, I'm pregnant.
Oh, you just a tell me. I just don't know.
Alright, later.
You understand?
Alright.
You'll get more than a fall
Take care.
cub. Alright.
Remember to think about me and the baby, you know?
Alright.
Angel,
Yes, mommy.
you sweep up your yard already?
No, mommy. Remember, say Papa and then bring back your rake. Come for sweep up your yard and your rake. No come
Why you
back.
lend Papa my rake?
Mommy, I never me lend Papa a rake. Cause you give me rake.
Papa no bring back the rake. A businessman Papa you talk about?
Yes, mommy. Papa will live over there, so.
That the businessman they can't afford to buy one rake. When can't afford to buy
Papa look
one.
like he like spend money.
Yeah, Jesus. Angel, you need to go to Papa for my rake. Cause some people stay, they love borrow people things and don't bring it back. Me want back my rake, the one rake me have. I remember say, me have to go work and 1 month them a take for pay me. Me can't afford to go buy one rake after me have one rake already I lend people. And then my yard to stay dirty and then clean up for them. Go to Papa for my rake.
Alright, mommy.
Anyway, when my shoes, you clean it off already?
Yes, mommy. See
Take up
it
it for me. Give me the shoes. Let me look on them. I hope you clean them good enough. Oh, they clean good. And you spread the bed nice. Me like how you spread the bed. Listen to me now. I am my baby, you know.
Yes, mommy.
You know, say me love you, not true?
Yes, mommy.
Me love you. Yes, me love you. Here. Me love you bad, bad, bad. And you see the reason why me I tell you to do so much something? I true me want when you're big, you can do things and no man not take you for no idiot. You hear what me say?
Yes.
Cause so it better when you learn from you're young. So when you're big, no man not have you they kick you like a football. You see when me gone, you have to take up your book and study. What me say you have to do? Take up your book and study. When the little dirty boy them a pass the road and a call you. Cause look how your body look nice and sexy. Then we call her for you. Look how you look good. Nice. But then I'm gonna remember say you're 12. Because your body bigger than your age. And then a man nowadays. Then uncle wants to see one little pitney with 2 breasts and 1 little body. Then feel say yes, them a big man. Me no want you breathe before time. You understand me? Don't worry yourself, my girl. Let me give you a kiss. Mommy love you. Me I go work. Take care of yourself. What you do with my handbag? What you do with my handbag? Then little girl, me name tell us if you take down the handbag. So just step on it. Give me it, man. Thanks. Anyway, you look clean still. Me can carry go work. Wow. Bag look good and sitting. Come here, my baby. Mommy love you. Later here. What you want me to take care of you? You want burger or you want KFC?
One KFC.
You love KFC, that's why you're big and fat. So little more, let me give you a kiss. Later, me I gotta work. I'm late right now. See, there 5 minutes from now.
Give me this. I tax money this.
I cannot take your money from me. I lost me have.
Run before me shoot you.
Yo, I eat that thing you're doing. What me can do that? You don't know when I go buy that. I ghetto people them like a way, you know. You look full of ghetto people, youth.
Brother, I'm running off a ghetto. Gunshot not cheap. Yo, me dey plan to give you something now. But since I saw, I'm bother give you nothing, brother.
No, man, you can't do that. Me charge you even 5 years to buy a drink of rum.
You rough from me, brother. Oh, I'm telling you, man, and rum thing, brother. Rum thing now work out for you, you know. Hold on for this now.
I wish I come with good news today. Oh, oh. This is how. Oh, oh. And this is how they want us to live. No, no, no. And this is how they want us to live. They want we fight each other. They want we kill each other. They want we can't find food to eat, and not even a place to live now, and this is how they want us to live. I tell you now, and this is how they want us to live. In the misery, oh Lord, it's like it's true. I say this is how they want us to live now. Oh, this is how they want us to live. They said
Hot man. And this is why you're going to lavish over this like man. That's me and son.
They say two rats can dig a hole.
No wonder why you can't get no money to home to your wife. You stand up over this for a idle. Me in your car and they wait for you like me and you in a bill. You need another talk.
No, I said this out. They want us to live now. Oh, this is how they want us to live. It's not by accident. It's not by accident.
Angel, what you do out here, so? I don't understand. Me tell you to stay in here and you reach out the road.
A man and call me.
Why you sit down so close? What happened? Why you town you in? You, little boy, what's your name?
My name Marlon.
Where you come from? Oh, I don't know you. I first me see you. What kind of business you are, Angelina?
Nothing.
What you mean nothing?
God no nothing.
Right now, no sit down too close. Take your backside, go in the yard. Get up, little girl. Come go up now. Come go up in the yard. You're too out of order. Little girl, wait till when I catch you. I'm going to give you some lick. Your papa tan when there and feel it. Watch me and you. Your ears too hard. I owe you. So you think say you rule me? You think you wash your dirty clothes them yet? You're out hard. I know want me tell you if you wake up the yard, you know, you say if me go up at the yard, God Almighty, I kill you with lick today.
Yo, great. Me say you want me all the light bill money down here, you know.
So about that?
You know say tax have to play.
Two.
I mean I only bad man in the lane, you know.
Yeah, me know you're a bad man, but I'm not afraid of you. When you're a little boy, I'm just carry water come give mother for be there, you know. You just hip up on my side. And I look up puke for me. Listen me now, I know you have your gun. But guess what? Not even dollar me nah give you. You have to kill me. And that's how I know you can't do.
You think you're easy? You're lucky, you know. You're lucky.
May God go with you. You hear me, son?
Where you set your face off? I want to you. You never hear say you know if you come out of the yard, if you stay in the yard. Eh? So what make you left out of the yard? You know what? I'll put down the bag. Alright now me tired. I know why you stress me out. Little girl, me tell you if you stay in the yard, so what make you come out? Where the book there where you study today? Me tell you if you stay in the yard and study your book. Me ask you one question and I know you shut up your mouth and answer me like you're no dummy, you know. Looking at my face. You did study the book?
No, mommy.
Why you never study?
Never remember.
So a boy picnic come first before your education?
No, mommy.
Alright, listen to me now. You see from morning you in this, get up. A lucky thing say KFC lock. Me glad me no bother buy for you. It lock. You want it. And you? Let me tell you something. This a dirty frack where you're in from morning and you make me come back and see you in there. Go on a bathroom and a matter of fact, KFC did lock. But me buy one chicken some more that deep fry for you. See it ya? See it ya? You deserve for me fry this give you. Eh? You deserve to get this off of me did cooked in mackerel give and you chat boy you don't want it. They show off true. You see the same little boy there. Watch me and you. This gone turn in the fridge until whenever come. Me not bother fry neither. You not take up your book. Go and go bed. Oh tired and no one. Me go put this in the fridge. Oh tired.
Where you say now?
Ghana.
See, all the one day I walk past and when you hold me my money, you know, you look like
That
a
girl,
ghost stream go by.
Has she your trust of things? You know
Yes,
long she
money
owe me my
man.
money. You owe me my
Much
money.
bill over here. Where the book there?
You owe me my money to and now she not pay me. She not go.
I know me can't buy back a goods in the shop.
She not go pay you. That the girl there just and not pay you. Anyway, sell me quarter pound of chicken back. Quarter pound of rice and quarter pound of flour.
Since I you me, I go cut it.
Alright, cut it for me. Because right now me hungry body.
You have change, man.
Yes, me have change.
Yeah, change tonight.
Alright.
Alright. Just you check me back to your change, you know.
How much you to get back, man?
$165, man. Check me back, man.
How much money you owe change from, man? The shop people you look like a thief, you know. Yo,
you go on.
Why you asleep, sir? What you guys sleep, sir?
Tired, man. Tired bad.
You get to go shop today?
Yeah, man, I go down the market.
Boy, you know some more top trust down there, so. A while ago, me a come. Them a tell me know say you go to market, because them a see them see a grocery bag. And we are trust down there, and we not pay the bill. And you pass and hide them with grocery bag and something.
No, well, to tell you the truth, babes, I didn't really hide them. Because I know I owe a little money and I did do a little grocery. So I did really hide her. But I tell you, it's the red king girl, let me see me out there today too. You know, I see my pine palm me and I talk about, you have to trust that girl, you have to trust that girl. So I really hide them with the bag still in a but. Oh, I tell you the right thing. So people really stay.
I'm sorry going to get us, please.
Mama, we need to find someone else and trust or we don't trust none at all.
We'll find a way out still. You have to do what you have to do for now.
Every time you go down there, you keep on order. Just like I tell you, say, tap, run up the bill. Every time you just order out.
I get the money for the weekend, man. So I get the money, I go okay them.
Just deal with them and nobody trust back from them. Can't take them, man.
Things soon go on, we soon get a better things in life. We have to trust.
We need to stop trust on them, man. We can't take them. We can't take any more.
So where you get a market today?
Come and show you, because I'm not going to get to back out the bag. Buy a little garlic.
How much money you spend today?
$3,000. I'm a big granny little flour and give me some.
I'll tell you the life rough too.
Rough.
Really cheap on this
Look
one?
here.
You buy nothing me do.
I buy a garlic and honey, because I know you love garlic and honey.
Because boy, I plan to go back in the stew then.
Yes, me I buy one thing of corned beef.
Dumpling on you know some nice corned beef. What can I say? You're good though. But this is good though. You see honey.
Honey.
I plan to
And
go back
the
in the stew
garlics.
there. Yeah man. But anyway,
So you want to know?
so where mackerel like? Can you say I buy some mackerel?
Jesus have mercy, me left you one little thing of mackerel.
You know some like pepper. Look at pepper in the one you know. If you never there see it, say hot.
Babes, you don't go that hot. You can't manage it. What you want tonight?
I want tonight that's some loving you know. I care about no food tonight.
Loving you,
Yes. Now the good also. Burn it down.
Blessed.
Boy, they are go up so go play with a partner in the man in there, you know. Yeah, but anyway, how much great tell about for the current?
Man tell me win $20,000. I mean I know when me born for $20,000 in a hard time like this.
I don't know how film bill them go so high general. You know, so we not have a TV yard, not have a TV we not have.
Me feel like the man a try to rob her, you know. But me not want to say nothing, because I guess I don't know. See there, even gambling right you know. Me take up you know. And you know used to me for gamble.
But we always lose though.
I say go, but you have to try. How you go win?
What you have to do, you know. So just guidance, you see it?
Yeah, me man.
Grey balls! Some man come like a choke, you want choke. Let me tell you to call him. Grey balls! Hey. Come here, man. Me have something for you ask you.
What about candy?
Hey, that I tell you something, I can link you.
Yeah, that's why I come to you.
About the light bill, you know.
So how much money you come to?
100,000.
100,000? So how much somebody dey money?
5 away.
So you come to so much money this month?
I remember say 5 away I use the light.
Last month, and 90 you tell me. This month, you come with 100,000? So, alright, anyway. Cut long story short, how much money me if you pay?
20,000.
So how long they give you if you pay?
Mountain.
Alright, me try see what me can do then.
You have to try so you can do fast.
Me can go fast and how me can get it, you know. And when me get it and then if me even not get the whole I-20, me can cap out, come give you and give you the rest. What do you think about that?
You know say JPS not take part of money.
As soon as me get it, me come check you here.
Alright.
Don't worry yourself, man. Me try hard to get it and come give you. Because me know and then cut off your life.
Yeah man, not worry yourself man. Come know you always come pay me.
Alright, cool.
Alright my friend. Yeah man.
This is how, oh, and this is how they want us to live, and this is how they want us to live. They want we fight each other, they want we kill each other, they want we can't find food to eat, and not even a place to be now. And this is how they want us to live. I'll tell you now. And this is how they want us to live. In the military, oh Lord, it's like it's true. I say this is how they want us to live now.
Yeah, we know
this is how
Look again, my general. You have to come up and hit this.
Want a market.
Use.
We're
confused.
Can dig a hole. Oh Lord.
Look again, hit this.
They say two rats can dig a hole. And then they say united be strong.
Hicks is real.
Much right shit the black man. No.
Hicks is real.
I say
You win
this
me, general. You win me, general.
We
are doing
We know.
You don't understand the game, man.
Brother, see your money there, brother. Give me money there, brother. We have to touch money for you. See your money there, brother.
It's not by accident. It's not by
We know you.
accident.
Look funny.
It's by
Nine and
design.
everything real.
I search and I find.
Yeah, cut.
Bunny
Cut.
down to the ground and
Cut it
say,
down, man.
"Ow." They
Slow up the thing,
want us to live. Oh, this is how they
You don't notice
want us to live.
Hold on. That can't save you.
War and crime goes up.
3 in one minute too, you know.
Oh, if you did 3 man money, man. Me general, you say?
Brother, you can't even pluck your tune, you can use that, you know, brother.
What you mean when you say 3 in my money? And I one game you win.
And that me I say too, away I look out time man money.
Yo, no bother with the slackness, you know, brother.
Yo,
All right
me
now.
Brother, what you mean? What you mean no bother with this?
Take up your money.
Madness, so
Brother.
go on in a brother.
You
If you
come
know
here,
what I'm doing,
take up your money. What you mean?
Yo, fuck the game you to ya, man.
brother, if you know what I'm doing, you out.
You're the man no hard working money, man.
Chad.
What? You can't pay. Yo, if I did like me, I plan to pay that can't work. Play fair. You talk about 3 man money. I have big money already, you don't know.
You know what, to a matter of fact, give me this, you out.
Brother,
Give me this.
Brother.
You know hard money work.
Play thing, brother.
brother, my money that's for you.
Oh, so you're a bad man.
What you mean?
All right. Stay here, son. Me soon
Brother,
forward.
brother.
Stay here, son, boy. Me soon forward, yeah? Soon forward.
A fool that man. Boy, they a fool.
Fool?
Can't do nothing.
Fool? If I'm here, you and you know what is best, you leave here right now, you talk about fool.
Right there, right there, something sit down, brother. Make him come.
You can't have money and sit down there, sir.
Right there, something sit down. Make him come. A bad man. Yo, what you say? You know who me?
Sometimes I wonder for the rum attack. You know here? Okay.
Brother, I'm not afraid of people, you. Make him come. A bad man.
Yo, I will shoot someone. The white knight give him a gunshot, man. You know, listen.
Somebody call police now. Call the ambulance.
Now look, you ask me about car ambulance, you see me can't move.
You know where him there. From morning him left to Ghana work. Watch out. And you make just a come down your road to look for you.
No, no, last.
And you just out.
That's what I'm looking for now.
Look from morning and left Ghana work.
So
You just a come back in.
Our.
Slackness. I hate a slackness. Oh, okay. So don't cash what shop there. So that means that what they tell me are true. Because one bird tell me say you're down there with woman and rub up your locks. So that's true.
Trisha, man, I said that we are gamblers, so we gamble.
I saw no gamble.
Some never fear you too. No, night, man.
No, I saw no gamble. And then you're there cash pot shop.
This morning, you tell me, say, you're pregnant, so I share with the money. When I calculate how much the bills them cost, and...
Me don't want to hear nothing more. Today I pay day, and outside 7 grand where you make. At this come home.
More that left back.
How much? Yeah, ask me how much.
You know.
See 1,000 yeah, and this not reach $1,000.
But remember, somebody owe the lady down in the shop for the mackerel, and it's now we are eat throughout the week. So the bill, maybe the woman for the bill.
And you still find time and money out of that figure go gamble?
Come here, try win a money.
Where you win?
Tonight, Jad is still. I have a good chance, man. Because last night I'm gym see baby and buy baby. I'm a gym see football. I'm a gym see you. I buy every little thing in there. I buy about 10 number. It's about 2,000.
And what you going to tell me say, if you not win? What you going to tell me?
I just a game.
I just a game. And I say work. The money where you take spend on this could have buy little things coming in our house even if we're not ready to buy the fall yet. It could have buy little things so we don't have to trust. If you not win that, what will happen now? We have to go back and shop the trust. Miss Lana, trust me this, trust me that. You not tired for trust?
Aye. From a band, me a trust.
And that sound good.
Not to me a smile, be serious. But from a band, me a trust. Me come see my grandmother a trust, me auntie a trust, mother, everybody a trust. Every shop have a bill down there. From me a look
and that sound good to you, don't? And that you want with baby if you come in.
No, but watch
you know.
Trust. Watch you know. I can't buy it today, but this is tomorrow. A lot of more buy next.
Lotto.
No theory, cause good. A good money depend him. No do that, man. No worry yourself. Cause you know, this is me win. I bet you don't feel that way. If me win right now.
You not win, because you never win yet.
Yeah, but any day I win.
That's why we're still there, so.
But any day I win, though, you go see your smile. Me know say you're disappointed. And
very disappointed.
And me disappointed too. So it's hard for me to win. Because I'm a winner, you know. I'm a winner. So
how all these years I can't win?
And that me I tell you, if me play football, me win. If me play cricket, me win. But that game I does too much.
That's why you're not to play.
Alright. So you're good though?
No. I forget to say, don't do it again.
Me not do it again. I apologize. Here? You just go push me off so. You know, I love you, you know.
And you better win, you know.
Fire link! Fire link! What? Fire link! You know, my well walk in my light bill and you're gone. Huh? What? Oh, you're big old Rastaman bicycle. What we can go sell? This look like it's a good sale. I can check it for the work. Hot here. Good sale this. Mamma mia, I'm selling a beautiful box. Oh. It's a Bluetooth, you know, it's the best.
Was sagst du? Was möchtest du von mir?
No, me no understand.
Also, ich habe gedacht, du sprichst Deutsch.
Me speak Patois.
Oh, sorry, Achu. I think you speak German good too.
Okay,
What
great.
can I sit near?
It's only $100 US.
Look very good, but right now not Guan and the Thunder Yard. Yeah. So, wish you good luck.
Okay, no hard feelings. I understand because this time is rough, you know?
the COVID and thing, and so
And the
it go.
ghetto.
So up 2021, we're still looking forward. You know, you don't go sell it. Some of them make good money though, you know.
Okay, later I'm gonna try to get it sell right
When we
now.
catch a fish, maybe make a money and then we can go get the thing. Yeah.
Okay,
But maybe somebody else buy it. Who knows?
true. So, okay,
Good luck.
later,
Blessed.
okay?
Yeah. All
God
right.
bless.
God bless you, my son.
What go on fire, Len?
Bro, me there in the morning, boy. What me for going about? Me I look for one I stack it them, man. One I boy them broke in my house and thief up me Bluetooth box, you know, see. I want out of this morning, one of them, see.
What you want to tell me? Say? You want to tell me say somebody broke the great fire ras house?
Me a circle on the road there still. And then buck one of them, see. I
Give
want out,
them-
you hear about it.
Yeah, man, you must find them. Go on. No, go up there, so. No, go up there, so. Go back up there, so. Check up there, so. I tell you, say, check up there, so. You can't check around there, so. If you check around there, so, man.
So, why have you check up there,
Because of this to the stock them go.
Look like you know what going on, you know.
No, but me I tell you, say.
Listen me check up this already. So, me go check my bridge over here, so.
How? Over Mr. Gray?
Yeah, me check Gray, because Gray, everything will go on Gray now.
Yeah, man, check over Mr. Gray. Check over Mr. Gray, yes. Oh, Chris, you have a boom back sell here, you know.
So this a boombox look so dirty, brother.
You don't mind how you dirty, man. You only want to know say they work.
So how much you sell it for?
Let's give me one 6 grand. Now.
No, sir, this a box look like you worth $1,000-$2,000.
It sound like, you know, alright, give me 1 3.
Alright, since you are ball down too much, me give you 15 bills, sorry.
You know what? Give me 15 bills. Cause every time you talk, you know, your job price. Oh, yeah, move some, man.
Hold this, sir.
I mean, man.
Just say it alright.
I mean, see that, turn on.
Bluetooth mode.
You hear that?
Alright, look good. Yo, if you find nothing else I want to sell me, just link me, see?
Yeah, man.
Alright, that's your word.
Alright.
Grey balls.
So,
Me carry money come for you like bill. $15,000.
you know, say, we can record something like what 15 you have, you know.
Work out something what you talk about.
Look pan Chantel. You know, so Chantel man I like they go money, you know. Right? But at least when she get a little money and she come, me give her back something and work out a little thing in the room there. Still I tell you again, say me alone there, you know, I'm single, you know. So you say, you want to think about it?
Me also what me can do about it. Me I say me get the money, if me not get the money, me will work it out. So you say me figure 15.
Yeah.
Alright then, me think about it man. Me think about it.
So you say, look more good.
No
You mind
do
to make up by look more.
Alright, me do it man. But
Yeah, man. So give
make
me.
sure say nobody ask me for the other 5 you know.
No, man. But you know, say me not get it, me I go ask you for.
My youth, me say me ain't go do it. Me ain't go do it. See money here.
Yeah. Alright.
A 15 got.
Yeah, man.
I say a 5 no.
Yeah, man. So me I look forward to see you look more.
You say me can do it tonight, me call you. Or if tomorrow before you go pay bill, me call you. But me I can't start out.
Yeah,
Here, me I can't start you out man.
I look forward to see
Alright,
you.
little more, little more.
Alright, baby.
Alright.
You look well back where they doing, darling.
Black, you know what I feel special now.
Why, if I'm man in your drink, you can't take time drink now?
You know what me? You only want to say I get your money.
You're lucky.
Sometimes I wonder if your mother no look for you before you're born.
Don't worry about that. Good. My mother ever look for me. What happened? What happened to you? You can't stop drink now.
You know something, I'll talk to your mother.
I don't care.
If you get a pretty girl, every time you come in, I go order one chick, me can't turn in and look for you, because you know pretty, you don't see me ugly.
Oh my God!
Me like pretty girl.
Ugliest one ever tell me say me ugly.
Yeah, cause me love pretty girl. You know.
Really?
Don't worry. Yes.
How ugly man like you love pretty girl?
Yeah, because when you get a pretty girl and breeder, you get a pretty baby, but when you're ugly, you take up a ugly one, you come like, you know, like your teeth, JPS, why you make mistakes.
I'm if you tell about it, boy.
You come more.
Alright, baby. Come check me later now.
Don't baby me. I'm on you and look. Browning, I never know you have a 10 pound until I come off of the bar. Well, your mother idiot, you know. Because you know that's someone of the lash. But anyway, if I eat as long as pepper the pan, me will eat it. You know what you head?
And a sushi.
And a sushi?
No.
Me I go up on it, eh? Cause my money now sharing now. My money have to go at the next bar up at top. No worry about me, but mean. I chew me junk now and take if you eat it.
What are you, babes? Behave yourself. You ain't get enough last night.
But take cheese in there, man, if I go up on the walk.
So hold on, where you go? What going for catch spot last night? You didn't say nothing to me.
Oh, you know my business, so. Last night I come about gambling and as they break it, I not can't put a door yet as more cash out. I'm check your phone door. That's where man play.
You should have checked that from morning. Oh, what happened?
Boy, play number
I lie.
Yeah, man. Him play number yeah.
So how much money you go get from that now, babes?
You get about 15,000. Add 15 credit.
I lie.
So, well, just go down cash for shop and change it and take 5 grand for yourself and put down and go change me said you. Now go up on the work. Not today you collect a partner.
Yeah, today me collect a partner just so me put down something on it too.
So that means say the money must have come closer to the fall.
To the fall, yeah, so it soon can. Yeah, man.
Alright, so see you later, yeah?
Alright, babe.
Alright.
Take care, you know.
Yeah, man.
No, but I overwork yourself.
Alright, later.
Alright, babe.
Every day, what you like out here?
How you do say? You don't want me?
My girl, calm yourself, the man. Me broke.
You want me to load up a business out here? Don't bother with me. Hey, no surprise. Come on. A long time I trust. Don't want me load up a business. Don't what me say? Me no want to hear that. You can't go around go trust one time and tell me say you don't have no money. No. Nothing go so.
Browning, I really me I go answer with.
You don't want a good shop your trust. Come on, my front. You did there now. Dilly. Come on.
You shouldn't have gone said man and man not even come yet. And you go along so. What kind of style thing that?
No. Front now and soap for wash. Come on.
Use it source of water, man.
Hello, don't grieve me. Walk in the community and tell everybody say you trust me for. Come on.
I say you go on browning.
Me say, when me head in a mingle, you never say no, oh, come.
Don't worry. Now get that $20 US, yeah. When I change it, I go 2.5. So make sure later you check me. Don't worry, head man. Come on. You know, one jiggy. You see me?
Here's the advice with that something you have in a Europe and stop drink rum cause it too daddy. And boy, you want come. Put on him too. No dividend in pants boy you want.
Where you get the box from me, General?
You want to know see a papa me buy from?
You know some my box out. How are they somebody broke in my house? And the boy papa, I see him and I ask him about my box, you know. Because I look for them murder one of them for a man, you know.
But papa...
Me have a receipt of me. You know me for a long time in the community. So you know, so I tell you a thing. I'm not growing things. You know me for a long time. I'm reputation speak for itself. Right? I say, I want to go on the road and...
Yo, you're not even have to tell me nothing. Right, tell me not even know one good mood. Hold this.
Give thanks, so. Give thanks. Boy, that one bumble hole, you know.